Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wallet Connect in Rainbow app for NFT minting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Rainbow app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a compatible cryptocurrency wallet set up. If you don't have one, download and install a wallet app like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Follow the wallet app's instructions to create a new wallet if needed. Once your wallet is set up, return to the Rainbow app. Look for the Connect Wallet option on the main screen. Tap on Connect Wallet to initiate the connection process. Select Wallet Connect from the list of available connection options. At this point, your screen will display a QR code. Open your cryptocurrency wallet app on a different device or in a separate window. Find the option to scan a QR code within your wallet app. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed in the Rainbow app. Once scanned, your wallet will prompt you to confirm the connection. Review the connection details and tap Connect to proceed. Your Rainbow app is now connected to your cryptocurrency wallet. For NFT minting, navigate to the section of the app displaying available NFTs. Select the NFT you wish to mint. Tap on the minting button to start the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the minting of your NFT. Confirm any transaction details and authorize payment through your connected wallet. Wait for the transaction to process, which may take a few moments. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation of the minted NFT. Your newly minted NFT will now be available in your Rainbow apps collection. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Wallet Connect in the Rainbow app for NFT minting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.